Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add animation in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my file in my PowerPoint application. And for example, I'm going to animate this planet, the sun. And if we want to animate the object, we just need to tap on the object we want to animate. Then we can click on animation right here, and you can choose the animation you want to apply to the object. And for example, I'm going to apply the spin animation. Okay, and now the animation has been added to this object. Then you can customize the duration. If you want to make it longer, you just need to increase the duration like this, and you can go to the animation pane to get the detail about the animation you have applied, and you can customize it according to your needs. And alright guys, that's all the way to add animation in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.